Everybody, out here at Gun Beach to do a little snorkeling adventure with Rhonda, and we're just right next to the shore. This is a marine preserve, by the way, and there's an octopus den right here where everybody walks out through this cut in the reef to go diving. Pretty cool. Let's check it out.
You can see the pile of rocks the octopus has outside his den, and he also covered himself with a few rocks to protect himself during the daytime.
So hopefully we'll find some more octopuses today.
Can you see the tail to the snowflake eel too, right there with the fish? I didn't notice that until I edited this video.
That one's hard to see, but he had his hole covered up, but you can tell that an octopus has covered his hole with rocks. So another octopus, and we have only gone this far from shore. It's hard to see this one. That's a big eel. I don't know where the head is. Where's the head, Rhonda? yeah. Rhonda spotted that octopus, but I was looking around because there's signs of him right here. Another octopus. This is number 6.
Do you see those white rocks? Something had to put it there. And guess what? Yes, it's another octopus. Octopus blow out jets of strong water to scare away intruders. You can see he did that twice because I was the intruder. See how it changed its color and texture in just a split second? So cool.
So we have found either 7 or 8 octopuses today, which is really cool here in the Marine Preserve.
Join me in this video at the end to see some more cool ocean creatures. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so.